yeah, that's right, in my hand. Cardiac Assassins Training Day, Batas 3 sneakers available now on soundvision.com. That's right, to commemorate, to honor the Cardiac Assassins Training Day comic book, which is smokingly such a great book to read. You got to go get your pair of these sneakers right here to honor it. You know what I'm saying? Collector's edition. This sneaker is a collector's edition. On this foot, I got the Carjacks. You can see the heroes: Cajun, Escalade, Glocks, Rasputin, Sincere, Shepherd, Diesel, Sphinx. Then on this foot, I got the Assassins led by Lord Sun Tzu. You got Sun Tzu, Artillery, Kanji, Revo, Snipes, Excursion, Yukon, the Coyotes. You know what I'm saying? Batas 3 high tops. Cardiac Assassins Training Day. Batas 3 high tops. It's the collector's edition, y'all. So if you love collector's edition sneakers, you gotta go get you one of these right here. Available now on soundvision.com. Batas, they make the fit feel great. Get yours today on soundvision.com. Cardiac Assassins Training Day. Batas 3 on soundvision.com. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.